No. About the commands. What commands does Docker use in order to raise the container and bond with him?
There are several Docker commands that can use to create and manage containers. Like Docker run, this command is used to create and run a new container from a container image. And Docker start command, this command is used to start and stop container. And there can be a Docker stop, this command is used to stop a running container. Here also the other command like Docker attach and Docker execute. Docker attach is a running container and interact with it, and the execute command within this command is used to run a command within running container. Okay, so here another can be like the Docker inspect. This command is used to inspect the details of container, such as its configuration status and resource usage.